In this fascinating DIY project, transform simple household materials into magnetic slime, baffling your friends and family. Begin with crafting basic slime using school glue, water, and borax as the activator. Once the slime reaches the desired consistency, incorporate a tablespoon of iron oxide powder, mixing thoroughly until evenly distributed. The addition of iron oxide gives the slime magnetic properties. Now, using a strong neodymium magnet, demonstrate how the slime interacts with it, flowing and bending as if alive. This experiment vividly illustrates the principles of magnetism and fluid dynamics, making science both fun and educational.